Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Flutter step by step on a Windows computer. This guide is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to flutter.dev. Click on Get Started and then select Windows. Now download the Flutter SDK zip file. Once downloaded, extract it to a folder like c:\src/flutter. Make sure not to place it inside c:\program files. Now let's add Flutter to your system path. Go to Start, search for Environment Variables and open it. Click on Path Edit New. And paste this path, c:\src/flutter/bin. Click OK and close the window. Open Command Prompt and type, Flutter version.